Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Myth Show Minutes. Hey, here's what I want you to capture of the essence of what we're teaching people. And people have had huge insights on how they now have learned to predictably eliminate the IRS from their IRAs, meaning no tax on the growth, no tax on the distribution of income, as well as how to eliminate losses on this safe savings proven vehicle that only participates when there's gains in the market, doesn't participate when there's losses in the market. And as several people have commented, look, I want to be out in front of this forthcoming correction and or worse crash. And then with the announcement of one of the presidential candidates who feels that it's fair to raise the federal income tax level to 90% to 95%, and the Fed already saying they're going to have to raise rates. Folks, here's what's predictable. Rates are going to go up, the cost to live is going to increase, and the cost to retire is going to become more expensive with rising federal tax rates. And then since the cost to live is going to be more expensive and the taxes are higher, this is where the average 401k today is projected to run out of money in under 8 years. That's assuming no major correction or no increase to taxes. Folks, we know these things are predictably coming. So what I teach on Hidden Wealth Radio this weekend is how you can predictably eliminate two of the greatest risks to wiping out or ruining your retirement. That is protecting your money from not having to have tax on the growth or tax treatment on the distribution of income, let alone then no tax on the transfer of whatever money you don't use. But secondly, how to completely eliminate losses from the retirement savings, the least of the savings needed, that you and I can't afford to lose. We can't go through another 2008, 2009, 2000, 2001, 2002. So here's what I want to teach you. Simply go to solvemyretirement.com. That's solvemyretirement.com, or simply call 855-668-2928. That number once again is 855-668-2928, but you've got to hurry. In fact, we've added an entire new 11 a.m. Eastern Time block for clients that have been requesting that, because some of them have gotten locked out of the other times available. And so here's what I want to do. For all that register and attend, I want to thank you for your interest of learning and getting more educated and becoming aware of the things that clients have said, I can't believe I didn't make the time to learn this sooner. Folks, the time is now. Every 30 days that you don't protect your wealth from taxes and losses has a negative impact of a loss of $50,000 each month that passes on your net worth. Now that's significant, and that's the difference for some of you between being able to retire successfully or not successfully. And as clients have said, my only regret is I didn't implement learning this information and implementing it and executing on it sooner. So I want to teach you things that you're not aware of and let you glean those insights. But let me get this free white paper report that I've generated called The Retirement Reality of Returns. And it's the average investor returns in managed accounts that people pay the top Wall Street folks to earn, which will blow your mind how miserable those returns have been as a 30-year average, as well as what the average mutual fund actual real return reality is. And for registering and attending, I want to gift that to you as a way to say thank you for learning more. But then for those registering, attending, and then requesting, we have a free tax elimination analysis that's a $500 value we throw in so you can become even more educated. So if you're sincere and you're someone that saved at least $200,000 or more, or maybe you're someone still working and you're maxing out your 401k or IRAs, learn what you're not aware of. SolveMyRetirement.com or 855-668-2928, but you've got to hurry because space is limited. Here's to you finding your hidden wealth solutions.